How to set up a cron job in your hosting control panel. Are you looking to automate tasks on your web hosting server? Setting up a cron job might be just what you need. A cron job is a scheduled task that runs automatically at specific intervals. This can save you time and effort by handling repetitive tasks like running scripts, performing backups, or sending emails without needing your input each time. Let's walk through how to set this up in your hosting control panel, specifically in cPanel, which is one of the most common platforms. First, you will need to log into your hosting control panel. Once you are in cPanel, scroll down until you find the Advanced section. Here, you will see an option labeled Cron Jobs. Click on that to get started. Next, you will need to enter an email address where you want to receive notifications or output from the cron job. This step is important as it keeps you informed about the job's execution. After entering the email, click on Update Email to save this setting. Now it's time to set the schedule for your cron job. You can do this by selecting a predefined interval from the Common Settings drop-down menu. If you prefer to customize the timing, you can manually enter values for minute, hour, day, month, and weekday. These fields will determine how often your task runs. In the command field, you will need to enter the exact command or script path that you want the server to execute. For example, if you want to run a PHP script, you might enter something like localbin php /youraccount /public html /your script. PHP. Make sure to replace your account and your script. PHP with your actual account name and script file name. After you have filled in all the necessary information, click on Add New Cron Job to save and activate your task. Once created, your cron job will appear in the Current Cron Jobs section. From there, you can edit or delete it if needed. This process is quite similar across various hosting control panels, though the interface may vary slightly. The key is to ensure that you specify the timing and the command accurately. Here are a few practical tips to keep in mind. Using the Common Settings drop-down can simplify scheduling if you want typical intervals like every 5 minutes, hourly, or daily. Always ensure that the command includes the full path to the script or executable to avoid any issues. If you want to prevent cron from sending emails on every run, you can use output redirection. For example, you can add null 2 and 1 to your command. This will suppress email notifications unless you want to receive them. Before scheduling your command, it is a good idea to test it manually. This way, you can confirm that it works as expected without any errors. By setting up cron jobs through your hosting control panel, you can automate tasks efficiently. This not only saves you time but also helps in managing your website or server more effectively.